Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and riding hard. So guys, in this video I'm going to review a bicycle. This bicycle is Orbia's Alma H50. So this bike is available in 27.5-inch tire size, and as you can see, this is a hardtail mountain bike. Friends, this bike comes in premium segment as this bike has some top-notch specs. So without wasting much time, let's start reviewing this bike. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इस बाइक के हैंडल बार की और इस पर लगे हुए कंट्रोल्स की। तो इस बाइक का हैंडल बार आता है एल्यूमिनियम एलॉय का, जो कि काफ़ी लाइट वेट है और 720 mm की विड्थ में ये हैंडल बार आता है। हैंडल बार के लेफ्ट साइड में आपको मिल जाएंगे ब्रेक्स और शिफ्टर के कंट्रोल्स। इसमें लगे हैं शिमानो के ड्यूरे ब्रेक्स, जो कि काफ़ी पावरफुल हैं और यू कैन ऑपरेट दीज ब्रेक्स बाय सिंगल फिंगर। साथ ही हैंडल बार पे आपको मिल जाएंगे शिफ्टर कंट्रोल्स, जो कि आते हैं 2x10 सिस्टम के साथ शिमानो ड्यूरे के मेक के साथ। हैंडल बार में आपको कंफर्टेबल ओर्बिया के स्टॉक ग्रिप्स आते हैं, जो कि काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल हैं। इसके साथ ही आपको सस्पेंशन कंट्रोल का लॉकआउट फीचर भी हैंडल बार पर मिल जाएगा, जिससे आप अपनी बाइक के सस्पेंशन को ऑन द गो कभी भी लॉक और अनलॉक कर सकते हो। फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस फीचर एज यू डोंट हैव टू स्टॉप व्हेन यू गो फ्रॉम अ टारमैक रोड टू ऑफ रोड। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सस्पेंशन ऑफ दिस बाइक। सो दिस बाइक कम्स विद RockShox Silver TK30 suspension setup, which is a air suspension, and this suspension comes up with rebound adjuster, so you can adjust the frequency of rebound from the adjuster as per your requirement. Also, this bike comes with a tapered headset, so over the time if you are thinking of upgrading your suspension, you can do it easily. Now let's come to the frame of this bike. So this bike comes with a aluminum 6061 alloy frame, which is very light and stiff. The frame is super light and the whole bike weighs around 12 to 13 kg. This bike is available in matte black finish and the graphics on this bike are really amazing. Also, this bike has 2 bottle holder mounting rack, so you can carry adequate amount of water during your long rides and get hydrated throughout the ride. Also, this frame supports total internal cable routings, and that ensures you a rattle-free, very smooth ride. Now let's come to the bottom bracket part, which is a Holotech bottom bracket. Also, if we talk about the rear derailleur, this comes with Shimano SLX derailleur, which is quite crisp and smooth while shifting. This bike comes with 2x10 system. That means you have enough gear ratio to carry out this bike to any of the terrain. That means you never run out of power, no matter wherever you are riding this bike. The Holotech bottom bracket also ensures to reduce some amount of weight from the bike. The pedals of this bike are made out of resin and they have 6 to 8 spikes on them, so they ensure you good amount of grips while riding. Now let's talk about the tires. This bike comes with 27.5 by 2.20 size tire, and they are quite grippy and have good tread patterns on them, so you can take them to any of the trails. The tires are of Maxxis Icon brand, and if we talk about the rims available in this bike, they are made up of 6063 aluminum alloy, which is quite stiff and hard. Overall, the tires gives you good performance. Now let's talk about the brakes. This bike comes with dual hydraulic disc brakes. In the front, you will get 180 mm disc rotor that is equipped with MT200 hydraulic disc brake. In the rear, you get 160 mm rotor, and the braking power of this bike is fairly good. Also, both the tires are equipped with quick release mechanism. Overall, this bike has a very good light aluminum alloy frame, and also the components available in this bike are also top notch, so they ensure you very good performance while on off-road or on-road. The handling of this bike is very nice, and the gear shifting in this bike is also very smooth. Now let's have a quick riding review of this bike. In this ride I am going to check the gear shifting, the handling, the comfort of sitting and the brakes of this bike as well as the suspension. So while shifting the gears there was barely any lag and they shift properly. In terms of sitting comfort, the seat post is quite comfortable and the riding postures was also very nice and comfortable. The wide handlebar of this bike makes it easy to maneuver on any terrain, and it allows you to take sharp turns easily. Also, it ensures you a commanding position of the cockpit. Now let's check the suspension in this bike. So this bike has a RockShox air suspension which is quite comfortable and very nice. The air suspension in this bike soaks up the bump quite easily. Also, the geometry of this bike soaks up the small bumps easily and ensures your ride super smooth and comfortable. So this was the overall review of this bike. This bike comes in a premium segment, and if you want to know the price of this bike, do comment me in the comment section and I will let you know the price of this bike. So do hit the like button if you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. Ride hard, ride safe.